Bonjour, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to talk about the nasal A sound as per IPA. Today in this video I will teach you how the nasal sound A is formed in French, and I will give you a lot of examples. This is the fourth part of my video series on French nasal sound. If you haven't seen the other parts yet, you may check them out after watching this video. The links are given in the description below. So without further ado, let us learn the nasal sound A. When an N or an M is preceded by a vowel, we get a nasal sound in French. A distinct nasal sound. So always we will have to keep in mind some of the combinations of alphabets. And wherever we see these combinations, we will get a nasal sound. I taught you the alphabet combinations on each video in this series. In this video, you will learn the combinations of alphabets for the nasal sound A. But before we talk about that, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and help my channel grow, and press a thumbs up if you like my video. Share your comments because your comments are very important to me. I read each of your comments and try to reply as many as possible. It keeps me going. So, the nasal combinations that you must remember are IN, IM, AIM, AIN, EIM, EIN, OIN, OIM, IEN, IEM, and also UM, UN, YM, YN. So wherever you see these combinations, IN, IM, AIM, AIN, EIM, EIN, OIM, OIN, IEN, IEM, you will pronounce the nasal sound A. Some people claim, and many modern dictionaries show, that UN, UM, YN, YM are also considered as the nasal sound A. But I personally like to stick to the good old traditional distinction between A and A. And I teach always to my students that the first set is pronounced as A and the second set is pronounced as A little bit closed nasal sound. I already taught you about the nasal sound in my previous video. So in this video I will give you examples with the nasal sound A, the first set of combinations only, and would suggest the learners to stick to the IPA standards of phonetic sounds. Repeat after me. Singe, sac, simple, impossible, train, main, plein, bain, fin, timbre, peinture, chien, bien, loin, moins, soin, végétarien, pain, vin, un, rein, sein, dindon, gendre, plaindre, moindre, lointain. In all these examples, you can observe the nasal combinations IN, IM, AIM, AIN, EIM, EIN, OIN, OIM, IEN, and IEM. Wherever you get these combinations, you will pronounce the nasal sound A. So say goodbye to sank,
Impossible, sample.
and start practicing nasal sounds. following the nasal combinations that I taught in these 4 parts of my videos. You can always let me know in the comment section if you have any query regarding the nasal sounds in French or anything you want to say, because I eagerly wait for your comments. Watch the full video and share your comments because that helps me keep going. Some exceptions for you. Immédiatement, inondation, inoubliable, minéral, similaire, den, peine, chaîne, moine, cheminée, chamophobie, and also européen. In this word, "ien" is pronounced as "un." As you must have followed in all other parts of this series, after the nasal combinations, whenever we get a vowel, the nasal sound does not occur and we pronounce the N or M as it is. In the word inondation, for example, IN is followed by the vowel O. So, IN will not be pronounced as "eh", but we will pronounce the N, that is inondation. The first N is pronounced. If you see UN, UM, YN, YM interpreted as the nasal sound "a", that is also correct from their point of view, as the experts all around the world analyze and experiment and research with phonetics of major languages such as French. Sounds are facilitated, simplified. But as I have already told, I always teach the nasal sound "a" and distinctly, differently to begin with. Then I myself forget the distinction and go with the wave. No problem. Learning French is fun. So learn the rules first, know them well, then play with them. Because la langue française, c'est très facile. See you in my next video. À bientôt. Thanks for watching till the end. We made it till the end together. Let's take our relationship to some further extent. Tell you something. Hit subscribe. We will be happy forever together.